Sadguru Mallanath Maharaj Ausekar. Mallanath Maharaj was born to Veernath Maharaj and Rakhmabai on Ashwin Krishna Saptami 1845 AD. At the time of his birth, the entire room was illuminated with light from the birth of Mallanath. Veernath started playing the Akhanda Veena in the Nath temple in Ausa, Maharashtra. At the age of 10, Veernath Maharaj gave Guru Updesh to Mallanath. He interested him with the service of devotional tradition of Adinath Parampara. Mallanath served the Guru tradition along with Mata Mahadevi Ai Sahib. Veernath Maharaj Punyasmaran Jeshtmas Utsav at Ausa was started by Mallanath Maharaj. Mallanath Maharaj started the Kartik Utsav of the great Guru Baba Maharaj and Ramakrishna Maharaj at Nilanga in Maharashtra. He continuously maintained the services of Nitya Chakri Bhajan, Adinath Shashti Utsav of Nath Sansthan, Ashwin month and Jesht Mas Utsav, Kartik Ekadashi, Wari of Pandharpur. He celebrated the grand divine Adinath Shashti Utsav at Sri Kshetra Kashi. He traveled to the pilgrimage site with his disciples. Mallanath Maharaj established Adinath temples in many villages in various provinces on the occasion of Adinath Shashti festival. The construction of Adinath temple in Ausa was started by Veernath Maharaj Ausekar. This work of Veernath Maharaj was completed by Mallanath Maharaj. On the request of Mallanath Maharaj, Vitthal of Pandharpur appeared in Ausa in his own form. Mallanath established Sri Vitthal in Ausa Adinath temple. Mallanath Maharaj established Krishna temple in Gopalpur in Ausa. Mallanath Maharaj established the Samadhi of Veernath Maharaj and Mahadai Sahib in Ausa Adinath temple. Mallanath Maharaj composed many of Abhanga and wrote the ovative biography of Veernath Maharaj. He wrote the book of Sri Guru Virlilamrut. Mallanath Maharaj passed away on the Jeshta Purnima in 1914. His tomb is in the Adinath temple in Ausa.